Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Kusama. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Kusama was breaking out different bullish bias patterns, and after the breakout from a recent down channel, the price line of Kusama was rejected by a long-term resistance line that starts from $45 and goes to $50. And this was my last video that I shared almost 3 days ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that after this rejection, for a while the price and also broke down this long-term support of $33.60. That had been, by the way, previously breaking as a very strong resistance here. And before that, it was almost working as a support here. And if we move more back, then you can see that here it was also breaking as a resistance. And now the price is breaking out this resistance once again. And if you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that we have completely broken it out. And I'm expecting that soon on the 7 days time frame chart, we will also have a closing above this resistance. And now there is a probability that soon we may see another attempt for the breakout for this long-term resistance that starts from $45 and goes to 50 cents. Previously, this resistance line has been breaking other resistance line here. Before that, has been breaking other resistance line here after the breakout from this channel. And here for several weeks a month, it has been breaking as a support line. And now, recently, after the breakout from this recent down channel, again, it worked as a very strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous very long-term down channels breakout as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup or CETAs, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this trade setup I shared on 25th of November 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this is the buying sign and sell target sign and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Kusama, and this is a weekly time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, since after the month of January 2024, it was moving inside this quite long-term down channel. We had a bounce here, rejection here, bounce. Then we had another bounce here. Then we got so many rejections here. And finally, the price end broke out the resistance. And now recently, the price end of Kusama is rejected by this long-term resistance line that starts from $45 and goes to $50. And after this rejection, the pricing is bounced very well from the support of $33.60. And right now it is breaking out. By the way, it is bounced very well from this support of $27. That was previously breaking as a support here, and resistance here. And now it is breaking out this resistance of $33.60. And now there is a probability that soon we may see another attempt for the breakout from this long-term downtrend line resistance. And as soon as the price and breaks out this resistance, it will hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $62. And slightly higher than this resistance, we have a quite long-term resistance of $65 as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance here. And before that, it was breaking as a very strong resistance here. And here after this drop, it also worked as a support as well. And now if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel, you can see that on the 7 day time frame chart, we have already broken out this very big and long-term down channel. But since then, the price line did not hit the target for the breakout from this channel. And that long-term target will be here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.